Explain reversible and irreversible processes. Describe the working of Carnot engine. Obtain an expression for the efficiency. ఇది 8 marks question. Reversible process definition: a process that can be retracted back in the opposite direction in such a way that the system passes through the same states as in the direction process and finally the system and surroundings return to their original states is called a reversible process. Examples: Peltier effect and Seebeck effect. 2. Fusion of ice and vaporization of water. Irreversible process: a process that cannot be retracted back in the opposite direction is called as irreversible process. Example: work done against friction, diffusion of gases, Joule heating. Carnot engine: a reversible heat engine operating between two temperatures is called a Carnot engine. The cycle operating it is known as Carnot cycle. Carnot cycle consists the following 4 steps. This is the block diagram. Isothermal expansion, adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression, AC, adiabatic compression, AC, isothermal compression, IC. Point A: P1 V1 T1. Point B: P2 V2 T1. Point C: P3 V3 T2. Point D: P4 V4 T2. On y-axis pressure, x-axis volume. In isothermal expansion from A to B, we have to write that equation: W1 is equal to Q1 is equal to RT1 log V2 by V1. That is equation 1. Next step: in adiabatic expansion from B to C, work done is equal to W2 is equal to RT2 minus T1 by gamma minus 1. That is equation number 2. In isothermal compression from C to D, work done W3 is equal to Q2 is equal to RT2 log V4 by V3, or Q2 is equal to minus RT2 log V3 by V4. That is equation number 3. In adiabatic compression from D to A, W4 is equal to R of T2 minus T1 by gamma minus 1. That is equal to minus R T1 minus T2 by gamma minus 1. Equation number 4. In adiabatic expansion from B to C, T1 V2 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V3 gamma minus 1. That is equation number 5. In adiabatic compression from D to A is equal to T1 V1 R minus T1 V1 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V4 power gamma minus 1. That is equal to equation number 6. Equation 5 by 6 is equal to V2 by V1 whole power gamma minus 1 is equal to V3 by V4 power gamma minus 1. That is equal to V2 by V1 is equal to V3 by V4. That is equation number 7. From equation 3 and equation 7, that is equal to W3 is equal to minus RT2 log V3 by V4. W3 is equal to minus RT2 log V2 minus V1. V2 by V1, because we substitute V3 by V4 is equal to V2 by V1. Total work done formula: W is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. That is equal to W is equal to RT1 log V2 by V1 plus R into T1 minus T2 by gamma minus 1 minus RT2 log V3 by V4 minus R into T1 minus T2 by gamma minus 1. plus r into t1 minus t2 by gamma minus 1 minus r into t1 minus t2 by gamma minus 1 రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ w is equal to rt1 log v2 by v1 minus rt2 log v3 by v1. We have to take common r into t1 minus t2 by log v2 by v1, because v3 by v4 is, we have to write v2 by v1. Equation efficiency neta is equal to w by q1. W already we know that, r into t1 minus t2 log v2 by v1. q1 already we know that, rt1 log e v2 by v1, that is cancelled. Next neta is equal to t1 by t2 by t1. Next step, neta is equal to 1 minus t2 by t1. That is the reversible and irreversible process, a working of Carnot engine, expression for the efficiency.